In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Payhip. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or you're looking to optimize your setup, this guide will lead you through the essential steps, ensuring you make the most out of what Payhip offers. So let's dive right in and get your store up and running. First things first, you'll want to access the Store Builder. This is your playground for designing and customizing the look and feel of your Payhip store. Begin by heading over to your Payhip dashboard. Once you're there, look for Store in the top navigation bar. Give that a click. You'll see an option that reads Launch Your Store Builder. Click on this to unlock the Store Customization Suite. This tool is where you can really make your store your own, with all sorts of design enhancements at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about customizing your store design. The design process is a fun and creative element of setting up your store. Start with themes. Payhip offers a variety of themes, each with a unique look and feel, so go ahead and choose one that resonates with your brand's identity. Once your theme is selected, move on to the color scheme and typography. This is where you can align the hues and fonts to match your branding precisely. It's an important step as it helps in reinforcing brand recognition. Next, consider how you want to organize your store using sections. You can add or remove sections like About Me, Products, and Testimonials. Each section serves a purpose, whether it's introducing yourself, showcasing products, or featuring customer feedback to build trust. Don't forget about navigation. Set up navigation links to help visitors easily find what they're looking for. A well-organized store is a key factor in providing a smooth shopping experience and can improve conversions. It's also vital to look at mobile optimization. With so many people shopping on their phones, ensuring your store looks great on mobile devices is crucial. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a seamless shopping experience, regardless of the device your customers are using. Let's move on to setting up email notifications. These notifications can be important for keeping tabs on your sales. You can decide whether to enable or disable email notifications for each product sale. Additionally, if you're selling physical products, setting up inventory alerts is a good move. These alerts will notify you when your stock levels dwindle so you can manage inventories promptly and avoid disappointing customers. Finally, for your digital products, consider download limits. Specify how many times a customer can download their purchased items. Doing this will help you prevent unauthorized sharing and ensure that your products retain their value. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're setting the foundation for a successful online store with Payhip. Happy selling!